everyone. Hello everyone. Today I'm here with another Duolingo tutorial, and I'm a certified English language instructor and a Duolingo top scorer. So sometimes if you haven't subscribed, please subscribe to my channel. I'll come up with more tutorials like this, and I'm trying to eliminate all your difficulties whenever possible. So look at this image. For example, if you're given this kind of image, and you're either asked to write about it in 1 minute, or if you are asked to talk about it for 90 seconds, it can be really challenging. I've just found this image on internet and in my Duolingo Google search. So I'm going to explain it today for you. So the first tip to understand this is it's the image of a lake, then mountains. Weather is partially cloudy and partially sunny. There are clouds in the sky. Then you can see the image of mountains and their peaks in the water. Then you should say like the snow is melting down in the lake. Right? Look here. This is snow. Okay. When we have successfully observed all this, now you need to at least write 3 sentences, 2 to 3 sentences, and remember, please add some linking words. The given picture is a beautiful picture of a scene that has clouds, mountains, melting snow, a beautiful lake, and some vegetation on the lakeside. Moreover, the reflection of mountains is looking great in the water of the lake. In addition, the partially sunny and partially cloudy weather makes this picture more beautiful and more jaw-dropping. Right? This is how you can do it, like 3 to 4 sentences. And for example, if you need to talk more about it, then you can say, this picture is a high-definition picture that captures or fully captures the beautiful scenes behind, which are reflected, and it looks like as if it has been taken on a vacation, because the whole area looks like as if it is located in Switzerland or in some other part of Europe or Russia, right? So this is how you can pass on your time, and you can, okay, another thing, when you are talking about something, it should be fully understandable, right? And for example, the more clear you are, the better your chances of taking higher score will be. Another thing is you can talk about the colors: blue, magenta, brown, green, right? So if you have nothing else to say, the picture is a great combination of colors, including the colors I've mentioned, right? So this is how you can go for talking about 90 seconds. The very scene of this picture can be very confusing for many Duolingo participants. So I hope you like it, and if you like it, please subscribe to my channel. I'm doing a lot of work so that you can get a higher score. See ya. Bye bye.